Welcome to Dell Tech Support. We always wish we had more memory on our computers. Fortunately, it's possible to upgrade the RAM on all Dell PCs. Today, we'll show you how to find important information about your PC's memory so you can do a proper upgrade. Access our website, dell.com/support. To find out how much memory your PC can have, enter your service tag. On the product page, expand Manuals and look for the specifications file for your model and select it. Click on the Specifications button and then on the icon for Memory. This page has all the important details that you must adhere to when purchasing a memory card. Your new card must be the exact same type and speed as listed in your manual, otherwise it won't work. For card configuration, the largest value shown is typically the maximum amount of memory your system can handle. This means for 16 gigabytes, you could have one card for 16 gigabytes or two cards of 8 gigabytes. You can also see how many slots your computer has. If you want to know where you can get new memory, visit the link in the description below. Once you have your new memory card in hand and are ready to install it, check out one of these videos to help guide you. If you have any questions or need help, contact our social media support through Facebook or Twitter. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips and tutorials on this channel. See you next time!